What a Naughty Bird, written by Sean Taylor, illustrated by Dan Widdowson, read by StoryTime. I'm sorry, but when you're a bird, there's something you just have to do. Fly to a farm, spot a big bull, and poop on him. What a naughty bird. Once I was over in Africa, and I thought it might be funny to poop on an elephant. So I did. What a naughty bird. Another time, up in the mountains, I made friends with a rabbit. When I pooped right on the nose of a wolf who was trying to catch him. What a naughty bird. I can make a splash in the middle of a puddle, and I can hit the last leaf on a tree. I even pooped on a great white shark. He wasn't very pleased. What a naughty bird. And pooping on people is the best. One day, when I was in town, I got 2 policemen, a builder, a teacher, 3 children, and their ball. What a naughty bird. But I shouldn't have pooped on that bear. The bear didn't like it. And I forgot one important thing. Bears can climb trees. What a naughty bear. Thanks for reading with us. This book was read by StoryTime. Subscribe to our channel for future books. Have a great day.